Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to our YouTube hub, N2S Christmas Part 2. So you'll click on that link to open up all the videos in this hub. You'll hop to each one, leave a comment, and then go to the Rafflecopter link to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will end on the 13th. I'll announce the winner on my community tab on the 14th. So on this hub, you'll find inspiration for our stamp and die of the month and our box of the month. So we are combining the two this month, so more inspiration. Today I'm going to share the stamp of the month. This is called An Elegant Christmas, and this stamp is so beautiful. I think it's so versatile because you could use this stamp for so many occasions. We can use it for Sweet 16, prom, birthdays, weddings. Today I'm going to use it for a quinceañera card. So I need to make one, and we're going to color this up in a champagne color, or I'm going to try to attempt that. So the stamp set also has a coordinating paper pad, and this is an Elegant Christmas paper pad. You can find this under the Paper Pad Club. It's this month's Paper Pad Club designs. We have two of them. We have Christmas in the Forest and an Elegant Christmas. Two beautiful papers. So if you want to check that out, to join these two clubs, if you choose monthly, you'll see an 18% discount deducted. You'll get the items shipped to you every 30 days from the day you purchased. I also wanted to share the other two cards that I did. If you didn't already see them, this is using the stamp set, and this is using the paper pad. That paper pad does have cutouts on the inside that you can cut out and create really beautiful, quick cards. So I've already gone and stamped my image out, started to color her hair and her skin, and now I'm going to color up her dress in a champagne color. So I went through my markers, and the closest colors that I can find were these. So I'm going to use the darkest E53 for like all the creases in the folds of the dress. We're going to add some sparkly glitter to this dress when we're all done. So I'm going to take the E53 and just kind of go into these little creases and just shade them in. And I'm not being real like perfect and precise with this. I want to make a quick card, but I do want it to look really elegant. If you wanted, you can just really just trace all these lines. Now I'm going to take the E50 and just blend these out a little bit farther. Now I'm going to take E41 and E40, they're a lot lighter, and kind of just fill in the rest with these two. my E40 is totally dry. So gonna see what else I have. Wonder if E00 would look okay. E000 to fill in the rest. It's okay, I really didn't want to go with that color. I think I'm just gonna fill it in with the E41. Okay, I have my dress done. We're gonna do some glitter on there, and then I just want to make a little ground so it looks like she's not floating up there. So I'm just gonna do some grays. I just took out all my grays, and I'm gonna start with my darkest W7. Okay, so there's my little ground. I want to add some glitter to sparkle this up. I kind of want to leave it a little bit of clean and simple. I think I'm going to stamp the little stars that are in this set. So there's a little star cluster, and I'm going to stamp that around. I kind of want to emboss it so it's shiny. So I'm going to see what colors I have. So we'll do that before we add some glitter. So I have this, so I think this might look pretty. It's got glitter in it. So we'll try that out. I'm going to use an anti-static tool because I don't want it to stick everywhere. Just want it to stick where I add the little stars. That came out better than I thought it would. So I'm going to heat this up. Okay, so we have some sparkly splatters, and I'm going to take my stickles and add some sparkles to the dress. And I just want like little dots everywhere. Little sparkles all over this dress. I'm going to add a little drop to her necklace. Okay, so when that dries, we're going to add it to our card base. I got the sentiment from our Fairy Doors stamp set, and if you like this stamp set, it is available in the shop. I will have it linked in the description box. There's some really nice sentiments in here. Dare to dream, make a wish, hello, don't give up, and let your soul sparkle. And I do have the die for this. The die is really cool because it does open up the doors. So I matted this card on a matching card base, and I love the sparkle on her dress. Hopefully you can pick that up on the camera. There we go. The sentiment, let your soul sparkle, on the front, and on the inside I'll write my message for my congratulations. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the hop and get lots of inspiration for our stamp and die of the month and our box of the month. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Thanks guys, and I'll see you real soon.